Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Google Drive and share the link using your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open your web browser. And after that, you have to type on the address bar drive.google.com. Now you have to log in with your account. So click on this sign in button. And now normally log in with your account here. And here you will see a new button on the left side. Click on it. Now choose File Upload. Here a File Explorer window will open. Browse through your PC and select the video you want to upload. After then, click on this Open button. And your video is going to be uploaded here. Now refresh your drive. After the upload is complete, find the video in your Google Drive and right click on it. And here you will get another option, Share. Normally select this Share option. And from here, choose Restricted and select anyone with the link. And finally, click on this Copy link. And after then, share the link wherever you want. So, if anyone visits this link, your video will be visible to that person. So guys, that's all about today's video. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.